Alright, turn this down. Alright, cool. Yo. It's for real. Yo. Yeah. I know that you want me. I know that you want me. Yeah. Alrighty, we're back. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rio, aka Rio. So I'm back with another video. Today in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys. Alright, look, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm about to be cooking up. So I'll be in the lab. I'm gonna delete these files. I'm gonna go ahead and delete these files. Delete all these. Okay, cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and set up this detect. Let's go ahead and detect the tempo. 109. Let's go. So I'm gonna just freestyle. Video. Freestyle. Up. One. So. Oh, already. Yeah. 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 Alright, turn this down. Alright, cool. Yeah. It's for real. Yeah. I know that you want me. I know that you want me. Yeah. We can get it going. Hey. We can get it going. Hey. I'm gonna try a different flow. I got too much money, I got too much, yeah. And you was really down and I ain't really down, right? Yeah, I just wanna get this right, yeah. I just wanna see you, I can't really let go. I just wanna get you, I ain't really letting go. I ain't really let you. Okay, I was vibing there. I got it out. You baby back. Sleep on us. You need me cause I've been going. You can't put it down. I've been headed down. Get around the shit. I know you can get it. Jumping on my head. I don't know if you guys do this, but this is the process. I usually, whenever I'm done recording it, I just take this. Wait, hold on. Alright, take this off. Just zoom in here. So usually I gotta line this up. I just line this up. And yeah, that's gonna be the video.